Nobody talks about this, but last week we've done about 4,728 doors, which equals to about $675 each and every day. And we did it purely online with digital products. And in this video, I'm gonna pull the curtain and I'm gonna show you all the steps you need to take in order to start making at least $100 a day. Because we've seen all of these videos on YouTube with people claiming to make $10,000, $50,000, $100,000 a month or even a day. But how do you start? How do you make your first $100? Today, this is what you're going to see: how to make your first $100 online as a complete beginner.
There are two main ways to make your first $100 online. The first one is to learn what I like to call a micro skill. And the micro skill usually should not take more than 7 days. For example, here what I have is a ChatGPT. One of the micro skills you can learn is how to do prompt engineering. In this case, I actually asked ChatGPT to write me a prompt that is designed to create SEO optimized blog posts for, let's say, beauty blog. You can change this keyword with pet blog or sports blog or skateboarding blog, whatever type of blog you have. And then ChatGPT spits out this prompt, and now you can actually sell this prompt to potential clients. Or you can use a website called promptbase.com. You can list this prompt right here and you can sell it. Now, the part which is going to make a difference is that you might need to change the prompt a little bit. You can play around with the prompt. You can actually tell ChatGPT, hey, can you change the prompt? Can you change some topics in the prompt? Can you change some listings in the prompt? So you can make it unique for yourself. Now, like I said, you go to promptbase.com and you can sell this prompt for like $2, $3, $5, even $10. And then you need just 10 clients to make your first $100. For me, back in the day I started creating websites for clients, and I learned how to create a website. It took me actually way longer than 7 days, but somehow I learned how to set up WordPress websites, and I started selling these websites to potential clients. I created a bunch of fashion websites. I created portfolio websites for clients, and that's how I actually started making my first money online. Nowadays, you have AI that can create websites for you, and actually you can resell these websites again to potential business owners. For example, base44.com, it's a very great website using AI. Here you can create a website purely with words. You can tell the tool what you need to be done, and you have some suggestions here at the bottom. See, you can create a reporting dashboard, a gaming platform, onboarding portal, networking app. So you literally can create an iOS app, an Android app. You can create different websites, custom domains. You can hook up your own domain name, and best of all, payment processing. You can set up Stripe and PayPal once you create the website. Another website builder that is using AI is lovable.dev, and this website, I've used it and I'm still using it. You see, so all of these templates that you can create. So look at this. This is a done for you template from the AI. So this is a website created by the actual web AI. Functional, very sleek, very cool looking website. And I'm pretty sure you're waiting for the second way of making money online, which is creating your own digital product, which I'm going to show you in just a second. Before that, I'm showing you the quick skill that you need to learn, or maybe you want to learn. If you don't want to learn it, that's fine. We're going to just jump in just a second to the second way to make money online. But finally, I'm just giving you examples what is possible and how you can make your first $100. Another thing is learn how to use Canva.com and sell this again as a service. You can learn how to create logos, banners, Facebook ads, and many more digital assets. And guess what? There are a lot of YouTube creators that need thumbnail designers, and you can learn how to create a thumbnail. And if you don't know how to create a thumbnail, you can go back to ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT, you can ask the tool, the actual AI, I want to learn a quick skill. Can you guide me on how to start creating good YouTube thumbnails for creators? And ChatGPT is actually going to create you a mini course on how to become a professional thumbnail designer. So there we go. You can learn the quick skill in no time. In the very beginning, when I got started, I started DMing people and cold emailing people, professionals, with my services. I started DMing businesses that I can create a better websites for them, and I can create Facebook ads for them. So I know you got to go out of your comfort zone. If you don't ask the people to send you money, nobody's going to send you money. Money is not going to flow into your bank account just like that. So you have to actually go and start asking people. Another way is you can set up a Fiverr profile. Probably you've seen this on YouTube. You can set up a one-page website portfolio like the one I have here, Ross Minchev. This is my portfolio website. So every time someone tries to look up me and to actually get to know me, the person goes to rossminchev.com, they can see what I am all about. Before, my website looked differently because I had listed here that I'm creating websites for companies. Coming next to the cool stuff, the cool part. You saw the money, the $4,700, and probably now you're wondering, okay, how did we make this money? Well, we made them purely through a digital product, and our digital product is called Profit Avengers. It's a course and community. So we have this with my business partner, Mark Vaudrey, and we teach people how to make money with affiliate marketing. I created a simple website, simple landing page. This is the landing page people are going to see. profitavengers.com/training. People land on this page, they read all about us and what we do. And actually, this is a congruent offer with what I told you in the beginning to learn a quick skill, because my quick skill was affiliate marketing, and then it became the only skill, not the only skill, but the most powerful skill that I have. I became one of the top affiliate marketers in the world, along with my business partner, Mark. So these are the awards Mark owns. These are Platinum Awards from ClickBank for one of the best affiliates in the world as well. So we learned the skill to making money with affiliate marketing, and now we teach this skill to other potential customers. That's one of our digital products, digital courses. What I'm trying to say is you can pack your knowledge and sell it for money. If you don't have a skill now, you don't have any knowledge, you don't know where to start, you're just a complete beginner, I have another option for you. You can create a digital ebook. There we go. Boom. This is one of my earliest digital ebooks that I created and I was selling. And this digital ebook actually made $4,000 in the first week of release. Medicinal plants ebook, and I was selling it for $27 to $37. If you can go down here, yeah, we can see it's $37. So in reality, I would needed to sell 3 copies a day to make $120 or 100 more than $100. And the kicker is, I found this niche. It's called the medicinal plants niche. But the most surprising part is that back in the day, as you can see, this is from 2022, I had to create this book myself. Now you have AI. Now AI can help you create and craft your book. It can write it for you, but I would not recommend this. I would recommend to ask ChatGPT to craft you bullet points, and then you write something, ChatGPT writes something, you combine your efforts with ChatGPT. But how did I come to the conclusion to create this particular book, the Book of Green Remedies? This book is, as you can see, 2022. And as you remember, this is the time right around the pandemic. People were looking for alternative medicines, for alternative ways of healing, treatments, and remedies. And that's why I came up with this Backyard Remedies book. So that's why it was pretty hot. Back then, I again had to use some other approaches to do market research. I used Google Analytics, I used Google Trends, I used Pinterest Trends. But nowadays, you can actually use again AI and ask the AI, what are the current trends and problems people might have, so I can solve them by creating an ebook. So it's that easy nowadays. I'm not even kidding. Back in the day, it used to take me hours and days to do research. But look at this. I now have it in an instant. What topics and niches are trending in 2025? Personal development, wellness, diet, fitness, finances, blockchain, digital ownership, money, health, relationships. It's big. Once you come up with the book, once ChatGPT helps you to create a book. And by the way, I have a separate video that is step by step on how to create this very same ebook. It walks you through all the things you need to know, how to design it. Not you, but like AI is going to design it, and how to craft it and what to include. I'm going to link it down in the description below, but here I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up this simple landing page so you can start collecting money. This landing page was created in a software called system304.com. As you can see, it's a drag and drop builder. Everything I built myself, and I didn't need to touch a single line of code, and it's basically drag and drop elements. See on the left side, I have text I can drag, headlines, and I can change it here. I can double click and I can say, hey, hey, hey. But that's simply how you create your product page to list your ebook. Then once you have your ebook, obviously you need some traffic. You need people to land on this page to purchase the book. And there are a bunch of options to drive traffic to this page. I'm going to show you one secret option that nobody talks about by the end of the video. But first, here's what I did. I created a Pinterest profile. This is it. It's an avatar profile of this gentleman, Greg's Homestead. It's about homesteading, which is related to what? Medicinal plants, which is very congruent. So I have this page, Greg's Homestead, on Pinterest. I have this page on TikTok, on Facebook. I have it everywhere. And here I started posting different, pins and posts about gardening, medicinal plants, holistic lifestyle. So people started actually looking me up and they started finding the URLs that I had in my bio and in my posts. Later on, I started setting up Pinterest ads, and my job was to keep the Pinterest ads at least to $30 to $35 per sale. Meaning, if my ad cost about $30, I'm with a profit of $7 because customers pay me 37. So if my ad costs $30, I win $7. But guess what? It's again a win because I don't have to manufacture the product. I don't have to ship any physical product. So it's still pretty profitable. But here's the secret that I was telling you. Look at the top or the bottom corner of my page. What it says? It says secure order through Digistore 24. So I listed my ebook on a website called digistore24.com. And what this is, it's an affiliate marketing platform. It's an actually marketing platform where you can list your product, your digital product or physical product, and other people can promote it for you. So you don't even have to set up any marketing campaigns. Hundreds of thousands of other people will promote your product and they will make you money. So someone else is making you money, you just sit back and relax. Now, here comes, but you have to keep in mind that all of these benefits come to a cost. And the cost is that you have to give a percentage of your sales to the affiliates, so to the people who are going to be promoting your product. But that is fine, again, because your cost to this product is almost zero. You don't pay anything. The product is created, it's a digital ebook. You don't have to, again, keep inventory in a warehouse. You have it in an instant. Usually what I like to do, I like to give 80%, even sometimes 90% of this price to the people who are promoting my products, because the more money you give to people, the more they're going to be promoting this product and the more money you're going to make. It's a kind of snowball effect. Give more money, people are willing to promote your product more. And on top of that, once more people are promoting your product actually ranks higher inside Digistore 24 because they have a huge marketplace. So the more people are promoting your product, the more you're going to rank in the listing inside Digistore 24. As you can see with the first options that I gave you, you can have quick money right now. Boom, boom. Create logos, create a prompts, custom prompts for clients or business owners, or create websites for clients, or create designs or logos for different business owners. But if you want to go to the more steady Eddie road and more kind of a long-term path, this is creating your own digital product, either an ebook or creating your own course on whatever topic you have. For example, if you learn a quick skill on how to create good thumbnails, like great thumbnails, you can create a crash course on creating good thumbnails and sell it. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to go into more details to each and every of these steps, and I'll be more than happy to do so. So what's next from here? It's time to start creating and crafting your digital product. To do so, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step in the video in the top left corner. So click the top left corner and I'll meet you in that video.